Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can link your PayPal account on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first and foremost thing you need to do is open up the Temu app. So once you click open your Temu app, it will boot itself up and redirect you to its homepage. So all you need to do is click on the product you want to purchase and then choose the color variant you want and simply add it to your cart. So once this is done, you need to select the free shipping option and click it as well. So now you simply have to choose the item you want to purchase from your wish list and click on the checkout option. Once you complete all the checkout procedures, you need to click on continue to checkout and click on checkout again. Now add your address, your name, and then simply click on the save option. Once you do so, you need to confirm your order, and here you need to choose PayPal as your method of payment. So once you choose PayPal, you have your PayPal account linked to your Temu account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.